Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Wednesday, 25th day of the month of September already, and we're quickly coming to the end of the month. In the meantime, first we're going to talk about Tropical Storm Helene that is going to become a hurricane. It probably is becoming a hurricane during the morning hours, and it's getting more organized and strengthening as the day continues today. Watches and warnings ahead of the storm were expanded in the late afternoon on Tuesday for much of Florida and several portions of Florida under hurricane watch or warnings. Especially at this point, it looks like the storm is going to track almost due north by slightly northeast and probably make land along the Florida coast, the northwestern, or actually the western portion of the Florida coast, to the southwest of Gainesville, from the Gulf of Mexico up towards Gainesville, which is basically, if you take the extreme western portion of Florida, the Florida Panhandle, and Jacksonville, which is off to the east. Right around in the middle of that, you've got Gainesville, about 100 miles, or 50 to 100 miles to the north and northeast of there, and the hurricane will most likely hit there sometime on Thursday evening, and probably will come in as either a Category 2 or 3 storm. And there is going to be quite a bit of wind and rising seas, and of course, tidal surge with that storm when it does make land. That'll be later on Thursday. In the meantime, our weather situation across the nation at this point. Here's the travel weather for the northeast corridor. We do expect some areas of rain to be moving in. Look at the weather chart. Shows a frontal system that extends from Lake Huron. That's the third lake of the palm tree type of lake formation that we have there, the one on the right. That extends all the way down into East Texas. And then there's a big area of high pressure that's down across the Dakotas, and it's giving some great weather across the nation's midsection. But that frontal system pushing eastward is going to bring us some rain from D.C. up to New York City and then eventually up into the Boston area. So if you're traveling, flights in and outbound, just slight delays out of Newark for the daytime hours. It's most during the evening hours when the rain possibly will be at its heaviest, causing lower ceilings and strictly IFR conditions into Newark, LaGuardia, JFK, and also in the D.C. and Philadelphia, Wilmington area. That rainy condition will last probably right in through early Thursday. Then we get that high pressure that's now over the nation's midsection will be moving eastward and giving us some great weather commencing later Thursday, lasting through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So in the meantime, it looks like some light to moderate delays into Atlanta, into Charlotte, also light to moderate delays. It looks like light delays into the New York area until the evening, then moderate to heavy delays because of the weather moving in. South Florida, of course, under showers and thunderstorms. And, of course, I mentioned Hurricane Helene that will be heading towards the western Florida Panhandle coast somewhere around Gainesville. And, of course, scattered showers and thunderstorms in Houston, the shield around that very large tropical system. Dry in Dallas-Fort Worth. Dry also in Chicago and Minneapolis-St. Paul. West Coast showing dry conditions in California. However, rainy weather moving in to Portland and Seattle over the next 24 to 36 hours. Weather for the northeast corridor, as mentioned, there's going to be some scattered showers and some isolated areas of light rain extending into later afternoon and evening hours on Wednesday. High temperatures near 70. Light rain and showers likely at night, about a tenth to a quarter of an inch. Nighttime lows 62 on east winds. They'll keep the ceilings low and, of course, cause some slight delays in the New York area if you're traveling. And for Thursday, showers are likely, maybe even a thunderstorm during the morning as that frontal system moves through. Then a clearing trend in the afternoon. High temperatures daytime near 80, so it's going to be kind of a changeable day. Friday is looking like clouds and sun, 79. Saturday and Sunday also looking fair. Both days temperatures in the mid-70s. A lot of folks complaining about allergies, and this is, of course, fall allergy season. We have been under the influence of high ragweed and grass pollens that has been causing quite a bit of discomfort because of the allergy season. With that rainy weather moving in on Wednesday and Wednesday night, it always tends to cleanse the atmosphere, but you need some rainfall. So if it's just cloudy and low-level clouds at that and very little rain, then you have very poor mixing in a lower atmosphere, and of course this makes the allergy situation even that much worse. So maybe a break from it if we get some rain during the evening hours on Wednesday in the Northeast. Elsewhere across the nation, though, ragweed's going to be very high across the Dakotas, central and northern Rockies, all across the Gulf Coast of Texas, into central and northern Texas, moderate amounts there. And in the east, hopefully, we're going to get some break from all the high ragweed and high grass pollens, but it does look like the rain amounts will be limited as this system moves on through. Then dry conditions with back to more pollen and more allergy season for this upcoming weekend and early next week. I'm meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Make the best of it, and talk to you first thing on Thursday. Take care.